It's been just over a year since I was in Tanzania. I went with my sister on a medical mission, and we went a little bit early so we could take a few days to go on a safari. And finding we had a little bit of extra time, we took an afternoon to go to hike to the Materuni Waterfalls and do a coffee tour. Our guide picked us up in Moshi and drove partways up the mountain to the village of Materuni. After checking in with the village, we then hiked to the waterfall, and our guide told us about the area and pointed out interesting plants and spotted chameleons in the foliage. As we progressed up the trail, the sound of falling water was audible and got louder as we got closer. The waterfall itself is the highest around Mount Kilimanjaro at 150 meters. We then went to the coffee plantation to see how they brew coffee. Coffee is grown on the slopes of the mountain, and they use the chaga method of preparing coffee. Starting from raw, dried beans, they are pounded with a mortar and pestle to shell them. And everyone, including the visitors, can take a turn pounding the beans. They also change the song to spotlight whoever is working.
Na Materuni, na coffee tour, strong boys, Mexico, in loco, na Materuni, na Magarene, na Tanzania.
After that, the beans are winnowed to remove the shells from them. Then the beans are roasted over a fire until they are nice and brown.
Hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata, kahawa mtakunywa, hakuna matata, sema jambo sana, wageni, wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata, tembea pole pole, hakuna matata.
Then the beans are put back in the mortar and pestle and ground into fine coffee. Again, everyone takes a turn grinding the coffee. And finally, the coffee is added into boiling water. All in all, it was a fun afternoon, and if you visit Tanzania and are in Moshi, I highly recommend going on this tour. The guides are kind, and you will get to see the Tanzanian hospitality. Karibuni. And finally, it's time to try the coffee. You can add milk or sugar, depending on your taste. I'm not a coffee connoisseur, but I enjoyed 2 cups without feeling jittery. As always, Asante for watching.